In 2022, the total length of railroad tracks operated in the U.S. was reported to be 293,564 kilometers by the International Union of Railways. Due to this vast network, local companies are always on the lookout for innovative tools to help maintain the tracks efficiently. One such tool is the SpikeEase, which is specifically designed to remove rail spikes. According to the designers, the process has never been easier, taking only 3 to 5 seconds to extract one spike. A single charge of the tool can remove up to 200 spikes. The tool itself is relatively lightweight, weighing in at around 14 kilograms, and comes with an ergonomic carrying handle for convenience. The makers of SpikeEase are proud to be changing the future of transit, offering this tool at a price of approximately $4,500. Check out the video to see how it works. As we continue with this worker, we see that they're installing a fire stop sleeve. These systems are crucial for laying cables in various locations, such as hospitals, server rooms, conference rooms, and factories. They're especially useful in areas where air current control must be combined with ease of maintenance. This option allows for the handling of cable bundles, and it can be installed on various surfaces such as ceilings, brick, concrete, drywall, and sandwich panels. The sleeve can accommodate cables up to 100% and conduits up to 63 mm in diameter. It's also resistant to mold and mildew, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. The sleeve comes in various versions, each with a different diameter, and the cost is around $240. If you're looking for a reliable fire stop sleeve system for your next project, this might be the perfect option for you. So, don't hesitate to consider it for your next installation. Introducing the versatile guide rollers that can come in handy in a multitude of situations. Whether you are setting up temporary lifting systems on construction sites or installing cables, these rollers can protect your cables from abrasion and help you carry out your installation with ease, saving you valuable time. The manufacturer offers several versions of these rollers, capable of carrying up to 4.5 tons of weight. Made from aluminum, with stainless steel ball bearings, these guide rollers are designed to fit into tight spaces and can be fixed using screws or belts. You can get a 3-roller model with a diameter of 130 mm for just $255. In addition, the seller offers 120 meters of cable with a 10 mm diameter for $441. Did you know that at least 35,000 people in the US fall from ladders and step ladders every year? It's a startling statistic from the US Consumer Product Safety Commission. But there's good news, a simple clamp can fix that problem. This clamp locks onto the gutter in just 5 seconds and can withstand up to 100 kilograms of static load. It may seem like a small product, but it won the Best New Tool Award at the International Roofing Expo 2020. Insurance adjusters are among its satisfied customers, as many people need to regularly climb onto roofs. The price for this life-saving clamp is $164. Invest in your safety today. Now, let's take a closer look at an interesting tool combination, a chainsaw with a bark removal attachment. This attachment is specifically designed to remove bark and dirt, preventing the saw blade from getting blunt too quickly. Among all chainsaws available, the worker in question opted for the Dolmar PS6100, which boasts a powerful 4.6 horsepower engine, automatic lubrication, and can run for up to 30 minutes on a single fill-up. It weighs only 6 kilograms, making it easy to handle. However, it does come with a hefty price tag of $742, and the bark removal attachment will set you back another $230. But if you're serious about forestry work or tree maintenance, it might just be worth the investment. Introducing a must-have tool for lifting and carrying heavy loads like bricks, cinder blocks, foam concrete, and curbstones, lifting clamps. These clamps are highly popular among large companies and DIY enthusiasts alike. The production model boasts a 23 kilogram lifting capacity, weighs only 2 kilograms, and has a straightforward design. Needs something more substantial? The Octopus model can be mounted on machines like Lotus and lift up to 600 kilograms. It comes with interchangeable profiled rubber inserts, and the most exciting feature is the precise manual grip adjustment that makes it easy to work with blocks of unique shapes. The manual version costs $31, while the Octopus costs $676. Get your hands on these lifting clamps and make your heavy lifting a breeze. Reciprocating saws are incredibly versatile tools that can handle a wide range of tasks, from trimming twigs in the garden to cutting through metal. That's why many manufacturers include multiple blades with their saws, and the version on your screen is no exception. With 4 blades included and no tools required to switch between them, this saw is a breeze to use. The 2800 RPM motor and 4 amp-hour battery allow you to tackle even complex, lengthy projects with ease. And with an optimized ventilation system, you won't have to worry about the tool overheating. While some buyers have noted that the saw could benefit from 2 batteries instead of 1, at a price point of $85, this is a minor quibble. Introducing an ingeniously simple solution for carrying bulky objects like plywood and particle boards, the Clamp Lift and Go. This nifty tool allows you to easily transport heavy items alone or with others. With a load capacity of 45 kilograms and the ability to handle panels up to 19 millimeters thick and 1,220 by 2,440 millimeters in size, it's a versatile and practical tool. The Grip Max clamps automatically adjust to prevent any damage to the panels. Plus, you can carry it with just one hand while typing a review on your smartphone. All this for just $25. Convenience and affordability in one tool. Introducing the perfect tool for fiber optic cable stripping, the Wire Stripper. Suitable for left and right-handed users, it effortlessly works with cables up to 0.125 millimeters in diameter, removing insulation of 200 to 250 micrometers in thickness with its 0.16 millimeters blade. Reinforced with fiberglass for extra durability and designed to prevent accidental slipping, it's no surprise that this tool won the prestigious Red Dot Design Award in 2020. Manufactured in Germany, you can rely on its quality and longevity. And with a price tag of only $50, it's the perfect addition to any fiber optic technician's toolbox. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.